Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. When I saw the two volumes of the Criminal Procedure Code and the Indian Penal Code wholly translated into Hindi by the commission appointed by the Law Ministry of the Government of India, I was really surprised, but they have done that job. They have completed that job. Quite a difficult job. So it is both, governmental as well as non official efforts which have contributed to this progress and development of Hindi. But it is a different matter that, in spite of this progress, Hindi has yet to be learned by millions of our pupils. It is one thing to develop literature and the language as such. It is quite another to make it a common vehicle for its being used by the general population. Even today, if we go into the matter fully, we will find that Hindi is not understood, especially in the South, by the pupil as a whole. In the administration also, I find that it is not possible by the officers coming from various states, not only from the South but from other areas also, where Hindi is not the regional language, that it is not possible for them to work in the secretariat without the use of English language. They have still to do their work in English, and if Hindi is made in any way obligatory, they will be faced with a very difficult situation indeed. Besides that, it has also to be released that the advantages of English are obvious. I am not one who is well versed in that language. In fact, I know my own limitations. Yet, I would not like to deny the value and importance of the English language. It is no doubt a historical accident that English has assumed an important place in our country. But, madam, there were many things which should not be imbibed, which we should not imbibe from Englishmen. But it would be unfortunate if we gave up learning of English only because it had come from the Britishers. English language by itself is one of the richest languages in the world. It has assumed an exceedingly important place as an international language. It is therefore that I make bold to say that even 2% of our people know the English language. It would be advisable to take advantage of that situation and continue to learn it as one of the foreign languages, both for our national and international requirements. Having said this, madam, it must also be admitted that English could not be continued as our national language and cannot be accepted as our नेशनल लैंग्वेज स्टॉप। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा और चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।